The University of Detroit Mercy women's soccer team will finally hit the road on Friday after its first away date of the season was moved to Detroit because of unplayable field conditions in eastern Michigan. The Titans now embark on a 4-game road trip. They will play their first 2 games away from the friendly confines of Titan Field in Indiana, first in Indianapolis at IUPUI Friday at 6 p.m., and then in Fort Wayne Sunday against IPFW at 7.
Well, I think any time that you go on the road, September is going to be really tough for us, but anytime you go on the road and you're playing in their environment and you're a young player, I think it's a tough situation, but I think earlier, based on last result and how we're playing in the last game, I think that these girls are up to the challenge.
Detroit is 3-2-2 all-time against IUPUI and 6-1-0 all-time against IPFW. Last season, the Titans topped the IUPUI Jaguars 1-0 at Titan Field, but will face a hefty challenge as the Jaguars have posted 3 consecutive shutouts to improve their record to 3-2-0 this season.
What do you think you need to do to get a couple wins this weekend?
Well, first of all, we have to do a better job in the offensive third. I think we had situations last game where we broke them down and then we missed that final pass where the through balls went there or the runs weren't connecting with the midfielders. So I think if we do a better job with that, I think we'll score some goals this weekend. And then again, we have to be better on our set pieces, corner kicks, dead balls around the area. I think that's an area that we definitely have to improve on because that's the difference in regards to winning games and losing games.
The Titans have won 4 straight over the IPFW Mastodons and prevailed 4-0 when the programs last met in 2007. The Mastodons will enter Sunday's contest with a record of 0-3-1.
I think most importantly we have to focus on defense, and I think our offense will come just as we, learn to play with each other and learning, where the final ball needs to go and stuff like that. So, it's something we'll have to work on every game. So.
After the weekend trip, the Titans will return to Michigan for a pair of away games, first at Michigan State on Tuesday and at Central Michigan on Friday.